Now in this question we're given the curve and we filled in the table of values for this curve, and we're asked to get an estimate for the area R by using the trapezium rule with values from this table. So how are we going to do that? Well, what I've done here is I've marked off the points 0, 0.4, 0.8, etc. along the x-axis, and you can see that we've got quite a few strips here. Look, here we go. These are the strips. There's one up through there and another one up through here. So you can see we've got quite a few strips, and the width of each strip is clearly going to be seen from the table as being 0.4. So what is the trapezium rule? Well, just as a reminder, okay, the area is roughly half the width of a strip, so the width of a strip is 0.4. It's all multiplied by the first height, that's that height there, plus twice the sum of the middle height, so we just need to add these heights together and multiply the whole lot by 2, and then it's plus the last height, that height there. And the heights are given by the y values that you see in the bottom row here at the table. So let's get started then. What we need to say is that the area is roughly equal to half the width of a strip, and so the width of a strip is clearly 0.4, and then we multiply all of this lot by the first height. Okay, that's when x is 0. You see that you get e to the 0, which in fact is 1. Okay, so I'm just going to write it in as e to the 0 so you can see it in the table here though. Plus twice the sum of the middle heights, so that's going to be 2 times, and we just need to copy these y values here in, so we've got e to the 0.08 plus e to the 0.32 plus e to the 0.72 plus e to the 1.28. So that's twice the sum of the middle heights and then plus the last height, and the last height is e squared. That's that one up there. Okay, so plus e squared. Close the bracket off, and all we need to do now is just use a calculator and get the value of this. If you use your calculator, you should find that you get 4.92240 and so on. And if you round this to 4 significant figures, as was requested, the area is roughly then 4.922. You can put in units squared because it's an area, if you like, units squared, and the accuracy is 4 significant figures. So I'll just remove that for you, and so that's what my answer would look like. Okay, well that brings us now to the end of the question, and I hope you understood that.